Hello everyone, what's up and welcome back to another exciting video. Not just exciting but a super exciting video for today. So in this video we will explore some wonderful products from the very known and loved brand Little Birdie. This brand needs no introduction because the name Itsy Bitsy itself says a lot. So this is how the package looks like from outside. And now I'm just gonna be opening this package and I will show you all what I have received from Itsy Bitsy. So there are some chalk paints, there are some dies, there are some chipboard embellishments, there are some pattern papers and everything. So watch this video till the end because I have a lot to show you all. There is a demo, there is a project video and everything in this video. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and please drop a comment. If you have any suggestions or if you would like to see any particular video in future. Okay guys, so the first product for today is right here. So I have got all these chalk paints. So let me just open this up and show you all. So these are the home decor chalk paints. Okay, this is matte acrylic paint and so that's like the first color which we have. Okay, and the other color we have is this. So you've got all this snow, sailing sky, then I have this French rose and I'm loving this color, this yellow one, lemon chiffon, and we have this French rose and we have muted teal and we have this tattered lace. So let me keep all these back. So this is the first set of paint that I have received in this package. So that's how it looks. I am so much in love with this. I love all these colors and this is like my favorite one. So these paints are actually available in a set and as well as individual ones. So if in case you're interested in buying these paints, you can just go to their website, which is www.itsybitsy.in. The link to all the website and social media accounts will be in the description below. Okay, so now the next one is I have received these flowers. So can you see these beautiful flowers? Look at that. So let me just open this up and show you all. Look at that. So these flowers are perfect for scrapbooking, mixed media. For me it is like for the front cover of my scrapbooks, these flowers are very perfect. Like this is not a normal paper or something, it is like a very special flower making paper which is used to create these flowers. So white is something that you can use for any themed projects. So this is the first one. And we have these tiny little flowers which you can use as fillers when you're using the bigger ones. Okay, now the next one is again this is like the white color and it's got two layers. This was like a single layered one, now this is double layered. Yeah, so I absolutely love these tiny little cute flowers. so these are the three flowers that I've received, and the next one is set of chippies, and these are like the primed chipboards from Little Birdie. So this is one, And this is the other one. You can use the frame and the clock separately as well, and also you can use it as one. So this is the second design that I've got, and here is the third one, and how beautiful it is. So you can create like different kind of things out of this particular piece, because even it's huge in size. You can, if in case you're using it in scrapbooks, you can place pictures over here behind this and add acetate sheet on top of that, and decorate your scrapbook. So that's like one option. And this is the third one. Sorry, this is like the fourth one. This is again what you can do if in case you have just thick borders, or for this thing prime chipboards, you can just use your Versamark and do some gold embossing on this, and it looks really good. So that's the chipboard collection. And next one is I have received like a set of dies. So this is like the first die. This is again from Little Birdie, and this is the first set of die that I've received. You have this fence, you have this nice grass, you can cut it in green and you can use this fence in white color, and then you have this, so the flowers and all. So it looks like really good. You can also see the prices here. It's very reasonable. Like this is one of the stores where you can find all the craft supplies at very reasonable prices in India. And the next one is this is like a film strip, and you have the size is also big. Usually you get these dies in very smaller size, but this is like big and nice. You can use it in your scrapbook layouts and mixed media layouts. And this is like my favorite one, clock. Yeah, so you can cut this, you can just do the die cutting, and you can just cut the hands out and just set the timings as per your requirement. Now the next one is this is again my favorite one, and I can just imagine creating wonderful projects out of this particular die. So even the size is quite huge of this. Yeah, so now the next thing that we have is the pattern papers. Let me just keep this aside and get the pattern papers for y'all. Okay, so right here I have got 4 paper pads. Okay, and so this is like the first one I have received, which is called Shabby Chic Bouquet, and I will show it first. Okay, so let me just open. This is like a 12 by 12 paper pad. Okay, I hope it's quite clear. Okay, so now it's clear. Yeah, so it is a 12 by 12 inch paper pad, and it has got 12 designs, which is like 12 sheets of 250 GSM. Okay, so let me just see how it is. The feeling is just wow when I'm looking at these. Look at the journaling cards. So let me just take it out and show you all how it looks. Yes. So this is the cover, and this is the first design. Look at the florals. I always love the floral designs, and the print is like so nice. The feeling is so good when you touch at the papers. It's so thick. It is 250 GSM. And the next one is this. Yeah, so simple and so elegant. I think the paper is looking white, but it is not white. It is like mint green. It is a mint green. So if you see this, even this is mint green here, and again it's a mint green. And this is like the other design that you have, and we have this another one, and then we have this. Just imagine creating a gorgeous scrapbook with these papers. The feeling is just wow. Look at this, the polka dot. Look at this one, so pretty it is. Yeah, so now the next one is this. This sheet can be used for creating a 12 by 12 layout. It's so good. You can also fussy cut this one, the crochet lace kind of a design. You can just fussy cut and use it in making your pockets of the scrapbooks. Yeah, So now the next design is this one. Look at that. How pretty it is. I love these, 1, 2, 3. Look at this. And the next one, I think this is like the best paper. Look at this. Okay, so now the best part is you don't have to fussy cut. They are pre-cut. Just you can simply pick and use it in your scrapbooks. So look at that. How beautiful it is. Yeah, so now you have got like 9 doily designs here. All the designs are so beautiful and they look so pretty. Look at this one. I love it. Look at that. How pretty. Look at this one. And now this is like element sheet for fussy cutting, if in case you want to use any in between the flowers. For example, you are using these flowers, you can just combine these flowers with this element. Look at that, how beautiful it looks. Just combine to complete your decoration. So if in case you're using only this, your scrapbook might look a bit simple, right? So to add more detailing and more elegance to your scrapbook, you can just use the fussy cut elements from this. Maybe some pinks, maybe this one. I will love to use this one. And look at that Eiffel Tower. Look at this, so beautiful. I love this watercolor flower. And you have this, so beautiful it is. So you can use all these designs to combine with the flowers. And the last one, this is like I don't know what to say, but I absolutely love this sheet. You can look at this. The vintagey effect that it has got is like just amazing. So this is about the first paper bag. And now the second paper bag that I have is this. This is called Texture Brief, and again it is 250 GSM, and you have got 12 sheets. Okay, so can I tell you all one thing? The best part of buying this, apart from the designs and everything, these sheets are only and only for 250 rupees. Look at this, just 250 rupees. And these people have got they keep putting up sales. They keep putting up some offers on their website. They give like 10% or 15% off on all the products is listed on their website. So that is like the best time when you can grab all these pattern papers in bulk. So this is what I do. This is like my technique of keeping a lot of scrapbooking papers with me, so that if in case I get the order, I can quickly make it. Yeah, so this is the other one. That's the cover. This is the first design, and I am just loving it. And the texture, the feel it has got is just like superb. Look at that. Wow. So this is the first one, and this is like the second. Look at all these designs. Okay, so the next one is this, and we have this. So all these can be used as photography background as well. And of course you can use all these papers mixing up with the florals, with the polka dots, and with all the other pattern papers. Look at this one. I absolutely love this. Look at this, so real. Yeah. So now the next one is, wow, look at this one. And the next one is like OMG. This is just OMG. I think in the video you are seeing like a white shade or something, but it is a proper teal. It is a proper teal color, teal blue. Yeah. Now the next one is this. Again it has got like blue shade. And the next one is this. And we have got the last one, which is this. Yeah, so this is about the second paper pad, and I request each one of you to just go ahead and buy this one. It will really help to create some amazing scrapbooks, and it will also help you for your photography. Yeah, so now the next paper pad that we have is this one, which is called Fairy Sparkle. Okay, is it clear? Yeah, so it is Fairy Sparkle. Again, it is 12 by 12 inches and it is of 250 GSM. So let me just open this up and show you all what we have. So pink is always my favorite, so this is like the pink one that I have, and yes, let's see how it is. Okay, so this is like the first one, and look at the design, look at the watercolor background, look at these florals and everything. So this sheet has got like purple and pink shade with some green, and this is like the next one that we have, and here is the third one. Look at this design. Can you see the detailed design? Yes. Look at the side, the top. Yes, so now the next design is, wow, I love this one. I love this part. I love it. So this is like the other one, and oh my god, I can fussy cut all these butterflies and use in like so many projects. Yeah, I love this sheet. And now again, this is my favorite sheet of doily, and again these are pre-cut doilies. Yeah, so you can directly use it in your scrapbook and save your time on fussy cutting. If you ask me which is my favorite doily out of these, I will choose this one. Look at that, look at the cup, so beautiful. Yeah, so now the next one is this. Oh my god, look at this one. I love this. Look at this, how beautiful, and this looks so real. Yeah, and that's how it looks. This is like 9, you have got 9, sorry, not 9, it's 12 journaling cards. Yeah, and the last sheet is, sorry, this is not the last sheet, but this is like the element sheet, and you can fussy cut everything and use it in your projects. Okay, so again, here's my favorite one. Now the next one is again a floral one. Of course, I love this floral. I cannot ignore the florals from any paper bag. I just love it. And look at this shade, look at the background. Overall the paper has got this nice shade. Now the next one is, yes, this one is like a watercolor background with, can you see this effect? See the texture? Yeah, so this is the other one, and we have got a similar one in pink, and this is the last one, which is in a purple shade. So this is about the Fairy Sparkle paper pad, and let's move on to the next one. And the fourth paper pad that we have got is Amor Mio, and let's see the designs. So this is like a 12 by 12 paper pad with 250 GSM thickness, and it has got 12 sheets. Yeah, so this is the cover, and the cover itself is looking so amazing to me. So the first sheet is this. People who don't like too many colors, and sometimes client request you to make something subtle and soft, right? So at that particular moment you can choose this paper pad. So this is like the first one, and look at this design. Wow, like for me this is giving more like a wedding invitation feel, which usually has got like soft colors like this. So this is like the second one, and this is the third design. and this is the fourth one. And look at this design, the fourth one, and this is like the next one. I love this one. I love this a lot. Look at that. And the next one is this. So something that is coming right now on my mind is I'm gonna be like creating some favor boxes for Ramzan. I have to give some gift boxes to children living in my society. So let's see, I will probably use these papers to create those boxes, to fill with chocolates and some sweets. So this is like the other one, and this is the next design, and this is like my favorite. Yeah, I can create some boxes and put these doilies on top of them, and it's gonna look like really great. Look at this. Let me just take off this design and show you all. Yes, if I create a box and put this on top and tie a ribbon, it will look good. Yeah, so I'm gonna be doing this. So the next design is, yes, this one. I love it. Look at the font, so beautiful. I love the font. I love the font, I love the colors, I love everything about this paper pad. So beautiful. And the last one that we have is this one. It's got these borders, these tags, the banners, and the flowers and all. So you can fussy cut all of these and use it in your project. So you don't have to you can even use it in, like, if you're making a scrapbook in a vintage theme, you can use these borders. If you are making in like pink theme or baby theme, you can use this. This is like a common paper pad which can be mixed with or used with any other paper pads of any theme. So this is like the last paper pad, and I am just so much in love with all these paper pads. This is the other one, and this is the other one, and must have one. So next one is this, and for this I'm soon going to come up with a project which you will be able to see it on my Instagram, on my Facebook soon. So thank you so much for sending these paper pads for me, and I hope everybody who's watching this video, you must have liked all the products that Itsy Bitsy has sent me. And if you wish to buy any product from these, you can just hop onto their website, which is www.itsybitsy.in, and you can buy all these amazing products for yourself and do some crafting. Yeah, so happy crafting, have a good day, and thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video till the end. Bye bye, have a good day.